Good morning, Stats fans. How we doing in this fine morning? It's Wednesday morning, April 1st, April Fool's Day. Don't be playing no tricks at home on anybody. The weatherman's playing a little trick on us today. I thought it was going to be nice out today. A little rainy, a little dreary. They continue to promise us that it's going to get better throughout the day. So hopefully it will get better, and as the week goes on, it's supposed to get nicer and nicer. Just reminding us, we will have a quiz tomorrow over Chapter 5. Make sure that you've gone through the review sheet. Two questions at the very beginning you need to know. Make sure that you know two characteristics of a standard normal distribution. Also that the mean, and if you standardize the scores, the mean and the standard deviation, one of those values. The mean will be 0, standard deviation will be a value of 1. That would be posted tomorrow, and once again, get that back to me as soon as you can. If you do not have capability of printing at home, once again, you can use a blank sheet of paper and just do the problems on the blank sheet of paper and send me your solutions. Make sure that you put your name on the top of each page, and also on the quiz, make sure you put your name at the top of each page, because I print them off and I have to print them off on separate pages. So please make sure you put your name on the top of each page so I can make sure that you match up with what your front page. Once again, you can scan them to me, you can email them to me, take a picture, that's fine. Get it back to me tomorrow evening for the quiz tomorrow. There was no questions posted to me, so I'm not going to go through any questions at this point. Just make sure that you have that information. You know those fill-in informations for the top of the quiz. Make sure you do some preparation for the quiz. Make sure you get it to me back by the end of the day. This will be the last of the material that we have to cover. This will take us up through spring break. Friday I'll have nothing for you. So please just work on getting things completed by Thursday evening. And I have nothing else for you on Friday then. That will take us into spring break, and when we come back from spring break, we'll start up again with some new material. I hope you're staying safe. I hope your family's staying safe. I hope you keep your social distancing out there. They say it is making a difference for us, so please continue to do your social distancing. And I suggest, because the reasons why we like to come to high school, the main reason we like to come to high school is we like to socialize with people. Okay, you like to socialize with your friends. You have your group of friends. I suggest you FaceTime them, talk to them a little bit. Find some time that you can FaceTime some people, that you can sit there and you can actually do some work. Maybe you can do some stats problems together. There we go. Do your stats problems together. Sit there, and you like to sit there on lunch. Maybe sit down at lunch today. Both of you guys are eating lunch, and you sit there and you jabber just like you jabber down there in the cafeteria. Try to get some socialization with regards to your friends. Do some FaceTiming. Maybe do a group FaceTime with some of your friends that you can sit there and actually do some stats work together. There we go. Because it's important to be able to do those types of things, because we're all sitting at home with just our family. Everybody else is just sitting at home with their family also. It's important that, once again, we like to socialize. FaceTime somebody rather than just message them. FaceTime somebody so you can actually see them and have actual conversation. It gets boring after a while looking at TikToks, okay, or looking at Instagram. It gets boring after a while. So do something a little bit different to keep yourself occupied during this time that we're in shelter in place here. Different things that will help you out mentally and also physically. It's important that we continue to do certain things and get yourself into a routine. If you have any questions about the review sheet today, still, I will answer them. Just message me and I'll message back to you. Once again, look at your review sheet. If you don't have capability of printing, just look at what's on the computer and just write the problem down and do the solutions on a different piece of paper at that point. Other than that, I have nothing else for us. Once again, this will take us to spring break. So it's going to be a little bit different type of spring break, but please try to remember to keep your social distancing out there and do our part in regards to trying to get ourselves back to some sort of normal. We like to be able to do this type of stuff all over again. Okay, we like to be able to get back to going on a hikes with groups of people, or going to the ocean, or going down to the Double D to get some ice cream. Okay, those are all things that we like to do. So those are things that we want to try to get back to in regards to the normalcy that we are used to. Other than that, once again, I have nothing else for you. Stay safe, keep your social distancing, and once again, if you have any questions, feel free to message me and I will get you an answer back to you. Adios, folks, have a great day.